Security wahala for Naija no go stop 2023 election. Lie Mohammed to Nigerians. Since the kilikili went shele for Kuje prisons and the kilikili of some soldiers for Buhari inside Abuja, residents don't begin to get fear over their safety and security. The Federal Capital Territory FCT administration don't talk say they go make sure say them quench the fears of the citizens. FCT Minister Mohammed Musa Bello when carry the matter con knack for the Federal Executive Council meeting con get full approval of 2.6 billion naira to buy 60 utility vehicles and accessories to keep Abuja safe and secure.
And these items are 60 utility vehicles, including communication equipment installed in the vehicles. In addition to that, Council also approved supply of various security gadgets and accessories to support security agents in the FCT. What I can just add here is that there is tremendous effort by all to make sure that Abuja continues to be a safe haven for all of us.
Muazu Sambo, when be Minister for Transportation, Konyan on top the report say them don't suspend train services for Lagos to Kano and Warri Rail Line sake of the concern on top security matter.
I would like to state clearly that it is better to suspend a service where there is imminent threat and clear that threat first, or where an incident had occurred, to investigate that incident rather than jeopardize the life of a single Nigerian.
On top whether 2023 election go shele, Minister for Information and Culture Lai Mohammed Konyan team they assure Naija people say elections no go only hold, but federal government go make sure say the country dey safe for 2023. Konyan say make Naija people sabi say security na everybody business, say make them no leave security matter for government alone. Say if you see something, make you sharply talk am.
I can assure you there will be elections, because the federal government would do everything possible, not just to make sure there's election, but to secure the country. I'm sure you heard yesterday from the president that the commanders have been given everything they need, and they've been given all the powers they need to bring this insurgency and this banditry to an end. The government is taking the issue of security very seriously, and I know that there have been quite a few successes by the military in overrunning the bandits around Abuja in the last couple of days. So regrettably, it's like when the military are having the upper hand, it's not giving the same kind of media coverage as when the bandits, attack. Again, I also want to take the opportunity to please let us all realize that security is everybody's business. And please, information is key. You don't leave the issue of security to the government alone. You have a role to play in giving us timely information about security. And that's why our campaign, if you see something, say something, is still very relevant.
Before them begin the Federal Executive Council meeting, President Buhari can swear in 3 new permanent secretaries for Federal Civil Service. The new permanent secretary now, Lydia Shehu Jafia from Adamawa State, Udom Okonkon Ekenam from Akwa Ibom State, and Farouk Yusuf Yabo from Sokoto State. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.